This is fish sauce chicken wings with a yuzu salad.
Wow. What restaurant did you steal that from?
Me and Sean are gonna make money, because this kid knows how to take $1 worth of chicken wings and turn it into a $20 dish.
Wow.
The flavor is amazing on the chicken wings. It's so aggressively spiced. 12 years old?
Yes.
You, my friend, are one to watch.
Thank you.
Hey guys, you ready? In this challenge, you'll find all different parts of the chicken in the pantry for you to cook with. Breasts, wings, thighs, legs, and even livers.
Your 1 hour starts now.
Here's a basket. It's a madhouse in the pantry. Everyone is freaking out. Peanut butter! Sriracha! Probably the most pressure I've ever felt in my life. I'm freaking out.
Green onions over here! Anybody see the peanuts?
Oh, this thing is getting heavy. I need that.
Let's go!
I can't run.
Holy mackerel. What have you got in there?
Got everything. Yeah, this is not gonna work.
The rules here are no different than any other MasterChef, and we expect a restaurant-quality dish
Big
from
time.
the lowly chicken.
The sad news is tonight, after this challenge, we'll be saying goodbye to a few of them.
Where'd my garlic go? Ah, there it is.
I have to say that, especially for young home cooks, chicken's something you eat every day.
Yes.
So to think about it as an elevated restaurant or a MasterChef dish might be very challenging.
Can I use some of that chicken stock?
Sure. Today I'm making fish sauce chicken wings with a light ponzu salad.
Salt. Alrighty.
5 minutes remaining.
This is gonna be a challenge.
Guys, who's got the best dish out there?
Una's doing the crostini with the chicken liver mousse. She's got some brulee pear, super fancy pants.
So young Sean, he made chicken wings with a Vietnamese salad that I swear to God would come out of any restaurant in LA. Amazing.
These are not cooking.
Oh yeah, this is going well.
Come on. Last minute, guys.
Whisk, whisk, whisk.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop! Hands in the air.
Good job.
Okay, Sean, please bring up your dish. Wow. What's going on?
This is fish sauce chicken wings with a yuzu salad.
Wow. What restaurant did you steal that from?
Me and Sean are gonna make money, because this kid knows how to take $1 worth of chicken wings and turn it into a $20 dish.
Wow.
The flavor is amazing on the chicken wings. It's so aggressively spiced. 12 years old?
Yes.
What do you want to do with your life? Run a restaurant?
Yes.
Excellent, that's a good idea. Because this is an incredibly flavored, technical dish that literally is kind of flawless. You, my friend, are one to watch.
Thank you.
That was a tough decision back there.
And unfortunately, we do have to say goodbye to some home cooks tonight.
Right. Will the following 7 cooks please come down to the front? Coco, Sean, Berry, Una, Nasir, Samuel, and finally, Isabella.
If I call your name, please step forward. Sean, Una, Samuel, you 3 home cooks, age 12, 12, and 9 gave us the best dishes of the night. Congratulations.
Great job, guys. Go ahead and head back to your stations, please.
I feel like so amazed that my dish was the top 3 of the night just because the judges cook at such a high level and they thought my dish was extremely good. It's just an accomplishment.